Hello, my name is Pastor Mike. I pastor a local church here in Ohio, and I needed help expanding the ministry to reach people digitally. I needed to learn my computer better to be able to meet the changes that today's ministry needs, and also to be able to reach out and serve others so that our church would be able to continue to grow. If you or someone that you know is not computer savvy and wish they knew more about how to use or even troubleshoot a computer, I have found the right company to meet this need. This company is going to be helping thousands of people in ministry and the elderly population to gain knowledge of their computers through TekSupportSpy's unique interactive computer training classes. A close family friend of mine told me to sign up for one of TekSupportSpy's class to see if it would help me to learn my computer better. I attended a tech support Windows 10 File Explorer workshop, and it really opened my eyes to be able to help me to understand my computer better, as well as the unique style of training that moved at my pace. My TekSupportSpy learning experience was totally different from any other computer online class that I've ever attended. The good part is you don't have to take any notes or write anything down, as the classes are designed so that you can pay full attention during the training process. The instructor at TekSupportSpy gave me all of the workshop notes on everything that I learned so that I can review it in the future. I just listened, participated, and did a few computer exercises. The class is very easy to do. TekSupportSpy is bringing a unique personal computer training experience to thousands. I'm 72 years old, and I was able to follow along like everyone else in the workshop class. I have had over 50 years of ministry experience in God's Word, and I want to keep up with the current technology of sharing the gospel to the world through my computer. As an elder statesman and a pastor, I urge you to sign up today for a TekSupportSpy workshop. Let me have a short word of prayer for you as I close. Lord, I thank you for helping all of us who are in need of learning our computers to be better able to communicate better on a personal level, business level, or on the family and friends level. God, I thank you for sending TekSupportSpy to help all of us elderly to become better with our computers. Sign up today. Sign up a friend or a family member who is in need of help. Help TekSupportSpy put an end to computer frustration. Have a good day.